Welcome back to our channel. Today is an exciting day because we're diving into the world of photography with the PanoX V2 camera. Cue excitement. This little powerhouse has been creating quite a buzz in the photography community. And today, we're going to explore why. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on our latest tech reviews. Alright, let's jump right in. The PanoX V2 is not just a camera, it's a creative companion packed with an array of impressive features. This beast boasts a 24-megapixel APS-C sensor, delivering stunningly detailed images with vibrant colors. Its ISO range of 125,600 ensures remarkable performance in various lighting conditions. Speaking of performance, let's talk about its autofocus capabilities. The PanoX V2 features a lightning-fast autofocus system with insert number phase detection autofocus points, allowing you to capture crisp and clear shots in a fraction of a second. Now let's shift gears to video. Whether you're a vlogger or a filmmaker, the PanoX V2 doesn't disappoint. It supports 4K video recording at insert frame rate, ensuring your videos are nothing short of professional quality. Beyond its impressive imaging capabilities, the PanoX V2 is designed for comfort and convenience. Its ergonomic design feels great in hand, and the intuitive interface makes navigation a breeze, even for beginners. Connectivity-wise, this camera is a champ. With built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, transferring your photos and videos to your smartphone or other devices is seamless. Plus, the PanoX V2 comes with a range of creative filters and shooting modes to unleash your artistic side. In conclusion, the PanoX V2 camera is a powerhouse in a compact package. With its impressive image quality, swift autofocus, and versatile features, it's a game-changer for both photography enthusiasts and professionals alike. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to leave a comment below on what you think about the PanoX V2 camera and smash that like button if you enjoyed this review. Until next time, happy capturing!